In this video, I'm going to show you what made me to gain my 1000 subscribers in 1 week, what I did on one particular video, because it's only one particular video that gave me this 1000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you all the things, the 4 things I did that made me to gain this 1000 subscribers in one video. The first 3 is most of the things we normally do, but the fourth one is what I did specially on this video that made me to gain that 1000 subscribers. But first of all, what are subscribers? Subscribers are human. There are people like you and me. You need to do videos. You need to do so many things that will make people to click on that subscribe button, because they are human. They subscribe to the channel they would like to watch. They subscribe to the channel they would like to come back later. But before you do what to make subscribers to subscribe to your channel, you really need to do what to make YouTube to push your video, to suggest your video, to recommend your video. So that is the things I'm going to show you on this video. So the fourth one is very, very important. So you need to watch this video till the end. Hi beautiful people, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about tutorial and how to grow on YouTube channel. So if this is what you are interested on, please stay tuned. Subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. So number 1 thing I did to gain my 1000 subscribers is being consistent. Being consistent is not all about posting video every blessed day. No, you can be posting once in a week or twice in a week and being consistent with it. Yes. So you need to be consistent, because before I was posting my video once a week, then before I will post another one, it will be maybe next 2 weeks or next 3 weeks. But I decided to change the pattern, and I decided to start posting 2 to 3 times in a week, and that changed everything on my channel. Yes, it changed everything a lot on my channel. I started gaining engagement, I started gaining views, I started gaining comments. Like when you come to my video, when you come to my dashboard, you will see a lot of change. You will see a lot of comment that I have not even answered. So you see that there is something is going on your channel. So that is the first thing I did, and this is the first thing you need to do for YouTube to recommend your videos, for the algorithm to notice that this channel is existing, that this channel is serious. So that is the first thing you need to do. Second thing I did that made me to gain a lot of views and then gain a lot of subscribers on that video is putting my file name on that video, because I was checking what are the things that I did on this video that made me to gain this kind of view on this video, and I noticed that I put file name. So many of my videos I don't used to put file name. I will just download it like that and upload it on YouTube. But in this particular video, after editing it and downloading it, I just changed the file name. Maybe if you wanted the title of your video to be how to grow on YouTube channel, you can as well change the file name before uploading it on YouTube on how to change the file name. This is very important, because this is one of the things I did on my video that made it to gain that kind of view. When you come to your YouTube Studio desktop version, you will see the video. Under the video, you will see that the file name was there. So you see that this file name is very, very important. If you want to change the file name, you can just go to your file in your video. If you are using iPhone, you go to the file, then you will see video dot something something something, then dot png. You just clean up those things, edit it, and type in the name of the video, the name that you want the video to answer, maybe how to grow on YouTube. Then you write it there. Coming up to posting the video, you will post it and also add the keywords there, the title of the video as the same as the name of the video. This helps you to gain a lot of views as well. And the third one is keywords. Keywords is very, very important, but if you use those keywords in a wrong way, it's going to affect your channel, it's going to affect your video. YouTube sees too much of keywords in your video as spammy, coming to your description and put a lot of keywords. No, you don't do that. You just put few keywords on your video, because this is what exactly I did. When I came to YouTube newly, I was hearing about keywords, tags, that you should do this one, do that one. I was hearing this every now and then. So when I want to post my video, I will bring all the keywords in the whole world and add it there, and still I will not get any views. But when I understand that putting a lot of keywords on your video can as well hurt your video, YouTube is saying that don't put keywords, a lot of keywords on your video, because this is violating their YouTube rules. So just put few keywords on your description. And coming to your tags, please always change your tags. Put your tags according to the video that you posted, because so many people will use, because of these tags, make them to go viral on this video, and they will carry the tags and add it exactly the way they see it, and that video will not get. There was a friend of mine that has gotten to 100 subscribers, and he's just busy waiting for YouTube to give him all the silver award they normally give. What YouTube is saying to him is that his video is all about spamming. What does that mean? And he started checking his video and found out that he's always using the same tags that he normally use. Like, is this one particular tag, whether the video is talking about another thing, he will still use that particular tag on that video. So this is called spamming in YouTube guidelines. So you need to change your tags according to the video that you posted. If you are talking about shadow ban, make sure that you put shadow ban in your tags. Don't be talking about cooking and you are putting about how to grow on YouTube on your tag. YouTube sees this as spamming, and don't be jam packing your description with tags. This is not right. It will make your video to be on spammy list. So this is the third thing I did. I used simple keywords. I put simple tags. I put 3 to 4 tags on my description, and my description is good to go. This is what I learned and what I did on this particular video. And the fourth one, which is the main thing I did on my video, is that I turned on one setting in the YouTube Studio dashboard. This setting was off. I was the one that turned it off because I was not getting views. But after I turned it off, I started getting views. I said, oh, this is the reason why I'm not getting views. But after a few months, I stopped getting views again. Like, I was wondering what is making me not to gain views. And I just went to the YouTube Studio desktop version and turned this particular setting on, which is publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. This setting is tricky. See, if you are gaining views, if your subscribers are watching your videos, anytime that you post your video, you just leave this setting on, because this setting is on by default. But if your subscribers are not watching your videos, because maybe you gain your subscribers from shorts, you gain your subscribers from live streaming, just turn this setting off. Because when you post this video and your subscribers did not watch your video, YouTube will see that this video is not making sense and they will not promote that video again. So that is the reason you need to turn it off when your subscribers are not watching your video. But when your subscribers are watching your video, you just leave it on. So this is the main thing I did on that video. I turned on my subscribers, publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers, and I gained a lot of views. This video gave me my 1,000 watch hour and 2.4k watch hour. So first of all, check your videos and know whether your subscribers are watching it. If they are not watching it, you can be able to turn it off. But when they are watching it, you just leave it on. So this is the 4 things I did on my video, I did on my channel, for me to gain my subscribers and gain my watch hour, because I got a lot of watch hour. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, and turn the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. See you in my next one.